Good morning, I'm in Bohol and I woke up right here. Red Palm has nice clean rooms, native Filipino motif. They have a restaurant here, also a pool. It's a diving pool actually. They're giving out diving lessons if you want to go diving. Let's check out the beach. They have a gate for safety for their guests. By the way, this is the map of Panglao. We are now in the island of Panglao. This is mainland Bohol. And then there's a bridge connecting the island of Panglao. And we are right here at Barangay Doljo in Panglao. And as you can see, this is the map. This is Panglao Bay, and I believe there are marine and protective wildlife down here. And there's a lot of beaches in Panglao that needs exploration. Even this island looks interesting, but wow, we have to learn how to dive. The next item on the bucket list, but not for now, just sightseeing and enjoying the Doljo Beach. Looks very, very quiet, peaceful, not too many tourists. So this is what sunrise is like in Panglao. That's Tagbilaran over there, and you can see a group of islands. The tip of Cebu right there, and over there, Sikihor. I think the crabs do that. Look at the holes on the ground. And we are lucky to see Mr. Crab doing his thing. So I think he's responsible for that. Good morning, Mr. Crab. How are you today? There are a lot of sea grass that indicates a healthy marine life. Hello, Mr. Starfish. This is the place to go if you want to go diving. That's our place right now at Red Palm. And I'm looking up at the coconut. I'm glad that there aren't as many ripe coconuts, but that one is a potential. So just stay away from the coconut trees so that no coconuts falling might hit you. So let's go back and check our rooms. That's my room over there, and this is Ken's room. This is my room here at Red Palm with air conditioning, and the toilets nice and clean, and they have hot and cold shower, of course the pail and the dipper. There's an extra bed as well, and you wake up seeing this nice peaceful view. This is Joan of Art at Doljo Beach in Panglao. See you once again in our next episode of our island hopping trip. Like, share, and subscribe. If you're into health food, come to Elana Restaurant here at Alona, one of the most popular tourist destinations here in Panglao. At night, this area is teeming with tourists. There are also a lot of dive shops out here, Korean restaurants, massage places, ATMs of course. This is Joan of Art, and we're now leaving Panglao. Bye bye, and till next time, hope to see you again here. Woohoo! Woohoo!